The repetitive, everyday life of urban areas is enough to decay a person's mind and soul. To get themselves refreshed and back on track, more than 7 million people each year go camping in the great outdoors. While it's a fun activity, camping can often leave you feeling exhausted due to a lack of comfort, mainly because of a poor quality tent. Although they provide temporary shelter, such camping tents don't offer a good level of protection or proper privacy. What you need is a tent that keeps you shielded against insects and inclement weather while also offering a good night's sleep. Keeping in mind the problems faced by campers everywhere, we've curated a list of elite camping tents in 2023 that represent both adventure and warmth. Number 1. Coleman Camping Tent. Camping tents aren't often available for low prices, which is why we recommend the long-lasting Coleman Camping Tent. This tent can easily accommodate 2 people under its dome-shaped rainfly, and its exterior boasts 75D polyester mixed with mesh for extra strength and ventilation. This UV-stabilized material is highly waterproof and has remarkable tear resistance, and you can count on it thanks to the fact that it's weight-effective, low-maintenance, and easy to handle. The thickness of the polyester makes this camping tent weather-resistant, and because there aren't any permanent openings you can stay safe from pests and bugs. This domed camping tent has a thin 68D polyester mesh interior, offering a soft, lightweight surface to stand and sleep on. The fabric is assembled using a 2-pole, 8.5mm fiberglass frame, and you can count on the durability of its fiberglass poles as they won't rust or corrode. This camping tent is easy to set up and take down thanks to the flexible pole sleeves and clip and ring attachments, and it measures 7 feet by 5 feet, with a height of 48 inches. It's also pretty lightweight, weighing only 7 pounds, and it's available in a few different colors, including navy blue, spruce green, and palm green. Number 2. UNP Camping Tent. Bad ventilation is one of the biggest downsides of polyester tents, but that's not the case with the UNP Camping Tent. It can hold up to 6 people and still have some space left over, and its cabin-like design features 5 double-layer windows with mesh panels for increased ventilation. Its body is comprised of 185D heavy polyester and mesh, and this incredibly lightweight fabric offers supreme moisture-wicking properties that keep the tent dry and insulated. The 1000mm polyurethane coating keeps moisture from entering the taped seam, helping you remain comfortable behind the zippered front door of this single-room camping tent. This camping tent features strong fiberglass and steel poles that give it structure and make for a strong base, a combination that's lightweight, durable, and resistant to fire, weather, and wood beetles. While the flooring of this tent is classic bathtub style, its roof has a minimal, see-through mesh design. Extra features of this camping tent include an e-cable port, lantern hanging rings, and wall pockets for storage, and it's available in a handful of different colors. It's 78 inches tall and measures 10 feet by 9 feet, and it weighs 20 pounds when all packed up. Number 3. Wenzel Camping Tent. Camping tents often lack privacy due to a shortage of rooms, unless, of course, you have the Wenzel Camping Tent. This tent has a cabin-style design that can accommodate up to 8 people, and it opens into a screen room that leads to another spacious room beyond it. These rooms are divided by a removable curtain, and the main room's domed roof is higher than that of the screen room. This camping tent's body is made of polyester and has a polyurethane coating that makes it water-resistant, and its canopy is waterproof thanks to the fact that the ceiling vent is made of mesh. The tent features 2 mesh windows and high-low air vents to make sure it's not too stuffy inside, even when it's raining. This camping tent has a heavy-duty frame that consists of 6 metal poles and 3 fiberglass ones. They're all shock-corded together, and the metal poles do a good job of keeping the frame in an upright position. Unlike other options on our list, this camping tent does not have bathtub flooring, instead featuring a flat polyethylene floor that's leak-proof and offers excellent rigidity. This camping tent measures 16 by 11 feet and stands 78 inches tall, offering you a total area of 98 square feet. Number 4. Campro CP Camping Tent. If you don't want to spend hours at your campsite setting up your tent, check out the Campro CP Camping Tent. It has a simple, freestanding design with a 4-step setup process that can have everything ready to go in just 5 minutes. This large tunnel tent can accommodate up to 8 adults, and its body is made from thick 185D polyester that keeps the inside dry and safe from UV rays. If that wasn't enough, the exterior boasts a 1000mm polyurethane coating that's fire retardant, abrasion resistant, and gives the fabric additional strength. This tent is divided into 2 sections by a curtain, and it has a large front door made of mesh. The 5 windows and roof also have mesh panels to keep bugs out and allow air to circulate. Like standard tent frames, this one has 4 fiberglass poles. Each pole has an 8.5 mm diameter, and an additional short pole is included to secure the brim above the front door. This camping tent measures 14 feet by 9 feet and stands 72 inches tall, and it features mesh pockets, an e-port, and handy two-way zippers. Number 5. Core Camping Tent. If you're looking for a tent that can fit the entire family, try the Core Camping Tent. This product can comfortably accommodate 10 people, and it can sometimes even fit 12. The cabin is quite roomy and pretty easy to set up, and although it's freestanding, it requires legs to stand up to harsh weather. This camping tent is made of thick polyester and has heat-taped seams that lock moisture outside and trap heat inside, making it ideal for cold weather camping. It also has a 600 mm waterproof coating that repels water and protects the tent from rain and sunlight. This camping tent is well ventilated thanks to its mesh ceiling, 2 floor vents, and 7 mesh-covered windows. Its sturdy structure is supported by a steel frame comprised of 6 legs, and it also comes with 14 tent pegs used to keep other parts of the tent aligned. As for the flooring, this camping tent has a polyethylene bathtub floor that's both water and flame resistant. This camping tent's dimensions are 14 feet, 10 feet, and 86 inches in length, width, and height, respectively, and it's available in a couple of different colors.